In today's video, I'm going to teach you Pathfinder Panel Divide. We're working in Adobe Illustrator, and the goal here is to split overlapping shapes into clean, separate pieces that you can move, color, or edit independently. This is perfect for creating cutout effects, building complex icons, or preparing artwork for vinyl cutting. Start by selecting the shapes you want to split. Use the selection tool to click and drag a marquee around everything you want included, or shift-click to add individual shapes to your selection. Make sure the shapes actually overlap where you want the cuts to happen. Divide only creates pieces where paths intersect. If your selection looks right and the shapes are stacked as intended, you're ready to go. Next, open the Pathfinder panel by going to Window in the top menu and choosing Pathfinder. If you don't see it at first, it may be docked with other panels. Just pull it out or leave it docked where it's convenient. Inside this panel, you'll notice two main sections, shape modes across the top and pathfinders underneath. For this technique, we're focusing on the Pathfinders section. Click Divide under Pathfinders. The moment you click it, Illustrator scans the selected shapes and slices them wherever their edges overlap. Think of it as taking a cookie cutter to all the intersections and turning them into distinct pieces. Behind the scenes, Illustrator groups those new pieces together so you don't lose track of them. At this stage, it may look like nothing changed because everything still appears as one selection. That's normal. The pieces exist, but they're grouped. To work with them individually, ungroup the result. Use the shortcut Shift plus Ctrl CMD plus G. If your selection is still behaving like a single unit, ungroup again until each piece is independent. Now you can click a single fragment and move it, recolor it, or delete it to create negative space. This is where the divide operation shines. If you want more precise edits, switch to the direct selection tool to adjust anchor points and handles on a specific piece. You'll notice the edges are perfectly aligned since they were cut exactly along the overlaps. If something isn't separating as expected, double check that you selected all the shapes